Okay, so for the first thing to do for part 1, I need to make a directory called HW1. So mkdir HW1. Now that's the directory. I'm going to move to that directory and show that I know how to write a file. I'm going to name it as my favorite movie. So I love the movie Forrest Gump, so logically, that's going to be what I name this. Logically, you know. So to make a new directory, now I'm going to name that cookies because I also love cookies. So logically, that's what I'm going to name it. Now I need to move Forrest Gump to cookies directory. So I'm going to type mv Forrest Gump. And I'm going to move that to the cookies directory, so I also have to write cookies. That's done. Now without moving directories, I must append to the file I made the name of my favorite band. So echo lowercase Lil Wayne is my all-time favorite guy. I mean, I listen to different genres, but really just a rapper I like. More nostalgia if anything, but he can be a one-man band. He's so good, so that's what I'm naming that one. Now it says to print to screen the title of your band from your current working directory without moving directories. So I'm going to hit PWD so I can work there. I'm going to make a directory name and name it something funny. So we do a lot of stuff with DNA in here, so trying to cover the bases is a little punny. So I'm not going to use any spaces. I want to move to that directory, so I'm going to change directory. Now I'm in that directory. I want to make a file, so I'm going to call it Barry Larry. Why not? Now in terms of, I guess I had to do that in spaces, but I know from before that wouldn't be a good idea. So, I'm gonna go home so I can remove that file, because once I'm in the directory, I can't necessarily remove it. And let I'm out of that directory. I removed the most recent directory, and as for my surprise command, for someone who likes Star Wars, they will find this wonderful, absolutely wonderful. So, found this looking online. Enjoy. This is Star Wars. So. It's coming up there, just be patient. All on computer characters, I mean. What can be better? Wow, episode 4, whole thing. Wow, that's just incredible. Just incredible. Keep it on so you can watch it. Or at least the gist of it. Gotta be well hydrated. I'm sorry, I got really interested in this. Okay, I'll probably turn it off now. Now that you know the command, you can go watch the whole thing at home and comfortable. I probably shouldn't just sit here the whole time. But it's really good. Have a wonderful night.